Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to bookmark a website in Google Chrome. It's very easy, so follow me. For example, Wikipedia, and all you need to do is to click over here this star and click Add Bookmark. And it will ask you where you want to save this, so you can rename it, and you can choose the folder, and it will be bookmarks bar, so click done. And you don't see your bookmark. That's because we didn't enable to see the bookmark bar, so we need to go to over here these three little dots, click bookmarks, and over here show bookmarks bar, and over here you will see your bookmarks. Let's go to YouTube, for example, and over here you can use the same technique. Click this star and click add bookmark, or just select this link and just drag and drop it over here, and you have your bookmarks over here for easy access. And this is it. This is how you add a bookmark to Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.